Hello, today we will be taking a look at when to use capital letters when we write. Here are some pictures of some examples of capital letters. When I see this sentence here, at the beginning of my sentence, I start with a capital letter. Aquí para empezar una oración, empiezo con una mayúscula. In this part over here, I notice that there is a capital T for Tuesday and a capital S for September. In this picture, there's a capital A and S for the title of the book at school. There's also a capital L and D, I believe, for the name of the person. Here's a paragraph that I wrote. For my paragraph, each time I start a new sentence, cada vez que empiezo una oración, I'm going to start with a capital letter. That's where my voice stops. Then I bounce it up like a basketball to make a capital for the next one. See if you can notice it while I read the paragraph. One day we traveled to my parents' farm. I gave the cows hay and grain. Later, my sister and I gave bottles of milk to the calves. Finally, we relaxed and devoured food for us. Every time I had my voice stop, there was a punctuation mark, then I bounce it up like a basketball to make a capital letter. Also notice that I did have a capital here. When I is by itself, it also needs to be a capital letter. Here are the capitals in the rest of my text. Let's take a look at a different one this time. You notice here that I have capital letters for the beginning of each sentence, just like we practiced. Tengo mayúsculas para empezar cada oración como habíamos practicado. There's another place, though, that I have a capital letter. I have a capital letter for the word Thanksgiving. Here's the reason why. Tengo mayúscula para Día de Gracias. Eso es la razón. Thanksgiving is the name of something. It's the name of a holiday. We're going to take a look at some other words that are names of things. Cuando tengo un nombre, eso es un sustantivo que necesita una mayúscula. If I have the word cat, it could be any cat, no capital. But if I have the name of the cat is Tommy, capital for that one. If I say the word country, puede ser cualquier país. But if I say Puerto Rico, that's the name of the country. So I'm going to put capital letters there. What about the word language? Language puede ser español, inglés, francés, puede ser cualquier cosa. But if I say Spanish, that's the name of the language. I need a capital. The same way for store, una tienda, ¿cuál tienda? If I want the name of it, I need a capital letter. Make sure you put capitals where your sentence starts and if it's the name of something or if it's by itself. Asegúrate de poner mayúsculas para empezar tus oraciones, si es nombre de algo o si es la palabra yo solo.